Good morning, dear students. We had started Economics Chapter 4, Presentation of Data. We'll continue this chapter. Our today's topic is Diagrammatic Presentation of Data. Diagrammatic presentation of statistical data refers to that way of presenting statistical data visually which discloses the silent features of such data. In other words, it is a method of visual acts and attracts the eyes and mind of observer of numerical values which can easily be grasped. This means in diagrammatical presentation of data, we use few diagrams through which we explain the data we had collected. There are few diagrams that we use like line, bar graph, and square diagram, rectangular diagram, pie chart. These are the few different types of diagrammatic presentation of data. Next heading is utility or importance of diagrammatic presentation of data. Here we'll see what are the importance या क्या necessity, क्या utilities, क्या ज़रूरतें हैं diagrammatic presentation of data की. First one is attractive and impressive. Diagrammatic presentation of data is attractive and impressive on human minds and influence them. Quality of making data simple and intelligible. Diagrams exhibit the complex figures in very simple form and all the silent features of data become clear and groupable. Here the data through diagrammatic presentation of data becomes simple and intelligible. That means one can easily understand by looking at it. Lasting impression. Diagrams are more influential than statistical tables, which creates lasting impression. Diagrams usually will more influence on one person's mind and it is also long lasting. Comparability. With the help of diagrams, we can easily make comparative study of data of different areas, periods and special features. We can do comparison over here when we prepare diagrammatic presentation of data. We can compare current data with the previous years. Point number 5, economical. Diagrammatic presentation of data saves time, labor and money, so it is economical. Diagrammatic presentation of data, it saves time, labor and money, तो इसीलिए ये economical है, means budget friendly we can say. Understandable. Diagrams can easily be understood by laymen. They do not require any skill or special knowledge. Diagrams can be easily understood by everyone. There is no special skill or knowledge required to read or understand any diagram. Universal utility. Diagrams are usually applicable or used universally, whether it is commerce, trade, business, transport, government budget or project studies. Everywhere it can be used. Helpful in forecasting. The study of diagrams enables the observer to forecast the future trends of phenomena. With the help of this, we can plan for future also, or we can forecast future with the help of diagrammatic presentation of data. Point number 9, entertaining and interesting. It attracts people to read or to gain knowledge, to study it, as well as it is interesting that we do not feel tiresome while going through it. There are few kinds of diagrams which can be used in diagrammatical presentation of data. They are broadly divided into two types. One, dimensional diagrams or geometric diagrams. Second is two-dimensional diagrams. In one-dimensional diagram, we are going to see line diagram, simple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, subdivided bar diagram, percentage bar diagram, directional diagram, two-dimensional, rectangular diagram, square diagram, circular diagram or pie diagram. These all we have to study